Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you know who I am, my name is Luz. I am so excited to show you guys how I created this look. It's just, different. I haven't filmed such a long time now, but like I said, I'm excited to be back and to show you guys more of my creations. So keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get started with this video. Like I was saying, I'm really excited to actually be back now, and this time I am not going anywhere. Just makeup makes me happy. So I need to stop doing, more videos and focusing on myself and to actually be happy. Anyways, how has everybody been doing? How is everybody dealing with or coping with all this going on? I know it's been really hard. I mean, for me and my family, it's also been really hard. And I live in Utah, and Utah also had a freaking earthquake. So, on top of that, we still got a freaking earthquake. So, it's been kind of traumatizing for all of us. I know a lot of people are dealing with anxiety and depression because obviously we're not able to go out. We're all in freaking quarantine. It freaking sucks. So, yeah, I have 3 palettes here that I'm going to play with today. Probably 4. I'm not sure. But I have the Be Perfect XL Pro Carnival palette that I'm playing with today. This is my baby got me. She knows what I love. And then I also have the Vida y Muerte from Milk Cosmetics. I freaking love this palette. I wish I was able to get my hands on the blue one, but I didn't, bitch. I didn't. So sad. But anyways, I also have the Impulsive palette from Milk Cosmetics, which is this one right here, that I freaking love as well. Look how beautiful these colors are. I don't know if you can see them. They are Gorgina. I kind of want to do a green look. I've been inspired, So let's play with some greens. A bitch has gained a little bit of weight, so cope with me, okay? It's been hard not to eat freaking greasy food and just buying out. No, I've actually not been buying out because my mom is here. My mom cooks a lot and she cooks delicious, but it's not the healthiest food ever. So we getting a little bit chubby here. So I've been trying to do exercise, but it's so freaking hard to do exercise. It's so hard. Like, oh my god, I just want to sit there, lay there, be a cow, and just watch freaking shows. And I don't know, it's just hard. It's just so hard. Like, who wants to eat a fucking salad and watch Netflix? Nobody does. Nobody does. Right? Am I wrong? Comment down below if you think I'm wrong, because I don't know. Alright guys, so I actually went to, my girlfriend went to get the P. Louise base when I put it on. So now I'm going to use this green shade called Nuke. And I'm going to use just a packing brush, which looks like this. Let me show you guys. So this is what I use to, like, intensify, like, my color and kind of do the shape of the eye look that I want to do. So I kind of want, like, a circle, because I usually start with the circle shape. So I'm going to show y'all. So once you... So I'm not going to blend. I'm just going to, add the color. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess you can blend a little bit, but, I feel like worried now on on adding your shade. I also live in Utah, and the earthquake, guys, was literally the scariest thing that I've ever experienced. Even I feel like I feel like it was more scarier for me, at least, the freaking earthquake than what's going on right now with this virus. I mean, obviously the virus is scary too, but I feel like, I don't know, like, we never experienced an earthquake, at least since I've been alive, or not even my mom has ever experienced an earthquake. And, like, for us, it was really traumatizing. My mom was, it's still really like really scary, just to think that we're gonna have another one. Like, oh my god. So let me tell you all the story, okay? Grab some fucking popcorn, grab some fucking hot Cheetos, because if that was me, I would grab some hot Cheetos. But so it was literally 7 a.m., okay? A bitch was still sleeping. A bitch was still having dreams, okay? And, like, dude, like when I'm telling you, I feel like the exorcism from that movie where that freaking bed is shaking. That's how I literally felt. Like it felt like somebody was grabbing the bed and just like moving it so hard. And I for a second thought it was a dream. Like I really thought it was a dream. I was like, what the hell? So once like I clearly opened my eyes, I saw like my, you know, my mirror falling down. I saw like a whole bunch of things falling, and it just like a terrible ass noise, like a big ass strong noise. And like we were like, oh my god, this is really happening right now. It was not only one earthquake, bitch. Like we had so many aftershocks, but they were so strong. Like I was literally freaking dead. Like I couldn't. Hopefully, you know, it never happens again. But I mean, but if it does, I feel like I'm ready. I'm just kidding. I'm not ready. So I'm actually gonna change a green. I'm gonna use this green from Melt Cosmetics. It's called what? Proofish. This one right here. And I am going to deepen this up. The other one was just like, it looks like blue and I don't like that. But yeah, let's deepen this up. There you go. That looks like fucking caca green. So I know it looks like shit right now, but it will look better. I promise, okay? I promise. Just keep watching. So now I'm going to grab this other green from Melt Cosmetics. This is Gimme Changer. Oh no, Game Changer. I'm going to tap out the excess. And then I am going, if you guys can see, I'm just going to put half and half out. So half of the brush is going to be in between the shade, and the other one is going to be out, if that makes any sense. Just watch. And then I am barely even like touching it. And I'm going to grab a bigger brush, and I'm just going to, this is just a clean brush. I'm not going to put any product on it yet. But it's more like a bigger, fluffy brush. This is going to just help us, you know, not smoke it out, but diffuse more of the green shade. Because right now it's looking pretty messy, I'll say. But the least pressure you put into, you know, blending, the better it's going to look. Now I am going to use just any powder that you have. I'm going to use just this, what's it called? Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I am just going to put this here. Anyways, whatever. So I'm just going to put it right here. Just so when I put the other transition color, it's going to be able to give us a better and nicer transition. Alright, now I'm going to use this Amor Eterno. Kind of like a neon yellow. This one right here. And I am going to... And don't be scared to take all this color all the way, all the way into your eyebrow. And I know this is not like, you know, an eyeshadow look that you're going to be able to go... Well, you can't go anywhere anyways. Alright, y'all. I'm going to add this brown from this color as well, chocolate. Alright, guys. So I had to finish my other... Well, kind of start my other eye because my camera was going to die. So I'm going to use my concealer. And I'm going to put it in the back of my hand. So I'm going to put this in the middle with my finger. And I'm just going to tap. Right now I'm going to use my Rattlesnake, my peach makeup pigment. It's called Rattlesnake. To add a little more of, you know, glitter, I'm gonna go in with my glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm also gonna use this. I don't know where the hell I got this, but it's gorgeous. So it looks like this. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't fall off. Ooh. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start with the skin. I am really excited to use this product. I bought it like probably like 2 months ago. I don't know, it's been a minute. I haven't even used it because I'm like, I'm gonna do a video on it, you know, kind of review it, but now it's like, what's the point of reviewing if everybody has already reviewed it? But yeah, I'm gonna use the Blendiful from Tati Beauty, which it looks like this. And it's supposed to apply your foundation like really, really nice, and also your concealer. And you don't have to wet it, so that's the cool thing about it. So here's this. It came with a little tiny sponge with this one right here. It's kind of cute. I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Foundation, which is this one right here. And it's in the shade Vanadu. I don't know how to say it, but okay, y'all. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. And then all over. So I'm just going to fold, well, just like that. And I've seen Tati's video where she just like drags, but I don't feel comfortable dragging. This whatever sponge, whatever it is, feels so nice. And I think it's like 18 bucks, guys, for like both of them. I'm not sure. I'll pop it down here in the description down below, but it feels really nice. It feels so different. Ooh. Ooh. She wasn't playing when she said this was gonna be bomb as hell. Ooh. Another thing that I'm really excited to use, it's the hydrating camo concealer from e.l.f. I've heard really good things about this, and it's for us dry girls, cause I am hella dry. Oh, here we go. Ooh, do you see that? Oh, girl. Oh my god. It looks so good. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my god. I finally found a freaking concealer. Yes. Alright, guys. So my freaking camera died again. Like, what the fuck? So, I apply my contour. So the setting powder I'm going to use is from Everyday Vacay. Coconut setting powder I showed you guys earlier. This is like super light, but it's like an HD powder. And the blush I'm gonna use is from Milani. It's this one right here. I never used it before, but I heard really good things about it. This is in the shade Luminoso. I heard really good things about it. Like, ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, it kind of has a glow into it. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna spray my face with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Just this one right here. I love it. Spray my face. Going to use my KKW. It's Lip Liner Nude 3. This one right here. I lost the lid, so don't judge. Now what I'm going to use next is my I'm Nude from Jeffree Star. This is one of my favorite lip liner. I mean, liquid lipstick. And I'm just going to blend with my finger. Now I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter balm. Guys, this highlighter though, bitch, so good. Guys, this is the final look. I freaking love how it came out. I haven't played with greens in such a long time, so like how I said earlier, I'm really happy to be back, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what other looks you guys want me to do. You guys know I love colors, so I'm always down for colors. And I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification button. All right, guys. So thank you, guys. I love you so much. Bye.